With our smart welding gun, you can easily adjust key welding parameters directly on the torch, and making welding more seamless. It's equipped with a safety button for secure operation. One click to open, easy to operate. The welding arm offers a full 360-degree rotation, 90 degrees. It's flexible for any angle. With its advanced technology, this welding machine ensures no marks or traces left on the material. It can weld battery with minimal heat impact. Fast, efficient, and protects your battery from damage.